In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitally sign a document in Microsoft Word, a skill that's becoming increasingly essential in our digital world. Whether it's for work, school, or personal use, knowing how to sign documents electronically can save you time and simplify your workflow. So, sit back, relax, and follow along as we dive into this step-by-step guide. First things first, let's get Microsoft Word open on your computer. To do this, begin by clicking the Windows Start menu button. You'll find this at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the little icon that looks like a window. Once you've clicked on it, the Start menu will pop up, revealing a search bar. This is where you'll type in Word. Just start typing and you'll see Microsoft Word appear as an option. Go ahead and click on it to open the program. This simple step brings you into the environment where all the magic happens. Now that you have Microsoft Word open in front of you, it's time to select the document you'll be working with. If you're starting a new project, go ahead and click on New Document. However, if you're planning to sign a document that's already in progress or one that's been sent to you, navigate to and select that file instead. Remember, the process we're walking through today works for any document you need to sign, whether it's brand new or one you've been working on for a while. With your document open and ready to go, the next step is to bring up the toolbar that will allow us to insert our signature. Look towards the top of your Word document and you'll find a tab labelled Insert. Give that a click. This tab is where you'll find all sorts of tools for adding different elements to your document, but for today's purpose we're interested in one specific feature found here. Once you're in the Insert tab, your next move is to locate the Shapes button. Upon clicking it, a drop-down menu will appear with various shapes you can insert into your document. We're looking for one in particular called Freeform. The Freeform shape tool is quite versatile, but today we're going to use it to craft our digital signature. After selecting Freeform, you can essentially use your mouse or touchpad to draw your signature directly onto the document. It's a bit like using a pen, except you're doing it digitally. Position your cursor where you'd like your signature to appear, click and hold, then move the mouse to draw. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect on your first try. There's always room for practice. Plus, you can easily undo and retry as many times as needed until you're happy with how it looks. And that, my friends, is essentially how you sign a document in Microsoft Word. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, and it's a valuable skill to have in your toolkit. Here are a few final tips before we wrap up. First, remember that your digital signature is a representation of your physical signature, so try to keep it reasonably consistent with how you sign on paper. Second, if you find it challenging to draw your signature with a mouse or touchpad, consider using a stylus or digital pen if you have a touchscreen enabled device. It can make the process feel more natural. Lastly, don't forget to save your document after inserting your signature. It's a simple but crucial step to ensure your signed document is stored correctly and ready to be shared or submitted as needed. I hope you found this guide on how to sign a document in Microsoft Word helpful. Signing documents digitally is a skill that can make many aspects of handling paperwork easier and more efficient. Whether you're signing a letter, a contract, or any other type of document, the ability to do so directly in Microsoft Word is an invaluable convenience. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with questions or for further assistance.